All right, today I have some pretty serious alpha for you about how to qualify for yet another Solana ecosystem airdrop, this time from DripHaus. Now, if you have no idea what this app is, DripHaus is a platform for distributing free art to Solana users. All you have to do is connect a Solana wallet and subscribe to some of these channels, they're called, and every week you'll get airdropped free artwork for doing so. Each channel offers different types of art and you can subscribe to the ones that you like best. But don't worry, the airdrop that I'm referring to is not only art, but also potentially a DripHaus token. Now, before I walk you through how to use this platform, let me tell you about the alpha that I uncovered on Twitter or X, because it's very possible that you might have missed it. Just the other day, the official DripHaus account thanked this guy here, Diego Armando, for being a champion of the platform. He was an official ambassador for DripHaus, but I guess he's moving on to a new role. However, if we go to his Twitter account, you can see that he just tweeted a bunch of alpha that I'm going to share with you today, and then we'll walk through how you can actually implement it to qualify for this airdrop. And this is what he said. He has a non-disclosure agreement in place, so he can't talk about everything that he learned while he worked for Drip, but he says, I can only tell you something. Spend the droplets, buy droplets, collect all, he's referring to the NFTs, seasons are important, play lock in daily, and airdrop season is real. He also says use say thanks, engage with Drip creators, and token ? So he's literally giving us a step-by-step list of action items that we can do to qualify for the DripHaus airdrop. And this is more or less, in my opinion, confirming that DripHaus will have an airdrop, and he's given us the complete playbook on how to max qualify for that airdrop. So let's break each of these items down one by one. So step 1, connect your wallet to DripHaus and create an account. Step 2 is subscribe to a bunch of artists that are dropping free artwork on this platform. Step 3, come back every day and play this game where you can click on the treasure chest up here and lock in a legendary or a rare piece of artwork. All you have to do is click start and then click on the treasure chest. And every day you can attempt to do this. Today I was rugged by Drip, but sometimes you'll win a free rare or a free legendary. Step 4, claim droplets. Every 6 hours, you can come back to the platform and claim some droplets for free. All you have to do is click this button and it will randomly tell you how many droplets you get. And up here you can see the total balance of droplets that you have. Step 5, you can purchase droplets as well. And he said that was one of the things that you should do. Now, you can spend as little as $1 on this to purchase 100 droplets. If you want to spend more, feel free. But all you do is select the amount and hit checkout. And then it brings you to this page where you can pay with cryptocurrency. You can also pay with a credit card if you want, but I'll just pay with $1 worth of Solana. The next step is to spend the droplets. And you can do that by simply navigating to one of the creator pages, and you can thank them by clicking on the little like button, and that gives them 1 droplet every time you thank them. But you can also donate larger amounts. So for example, if I wanted to donate some to the Enigma/Drip, I would hit on the button that says thank, and I would select the amount that I wanted to donate. So I'll donate 50 droplets to Enigma, hit submit, and that's it. Now there's actually also a leaderboard that you can check to see how you are doing relative to other donators. And there's perks if you are one of the top donators to a specific artist. Sometimes they will give you bonus artwork or more rare artwork. Now, over time, you will collect artwork in your account that will be dropped to your wallet from the creators that you have subscribed to. And the more that you interact with them by liking the artwork that they deposit in your wallet, or by thanking them directly and making larger donations, the better your chances are of qualifying for a larger airdrop. Now, according to Diego, another thing that could be important is collect all. And so, for example, each drop has varying levels of rarity. So you can see for this piece of artwork right here, I got 2 of them. One is a common and one is a rare. There will also be a legendary and sometimes an ultimate. And he is suggesting, I think, that if you collect a full set or multiple full sets, then that could be a bonus for the airdrop. So if I click on the artist here, which is actually just the showcase from Drip, this is the artwork that I have in my wallet. So I'm missing the legendary version of this artwork. And so if I wanted to collect all, I could actually purchase this on Tensor or another NFT exchange platform on Solana. So I would simply click on it right here, and then I can click the buy button if it didn't get dropped to me, and it will bring me to the platform where I can actually purchase this. And so I can purchase the legendary version of this for actually not too expensive. So let's go ahead and try to buy one of these. Confirm the transaction in my wallet, and the order was complete. And so now if I open up my wallet, I can see that I've collected all 3 of these. So that full set is complete, and that might help me qualify for a larger airdrop. And the idea is you get airdropped as many of these as you can by thanking artists and by following them and subscribing to them. And then if you really like a set in particular, you should try and collect that full set because it looks like that will be important. Then the final point from Diego is that seasons are important. Well, with Drip, they have different seasons and different drops in each season. And so I guess the idea is to participate for as long as possible across as many seasons as possible and to collect artwork from each season if you can. So for example, on Magic Eden, you can look for the different seasons, and this is a list of artwork from Drip Season 1. So if you weren't around then and you didn't actually get airdropped them, you could actually come and purchase some if you're interested in trying to maximize your airdrop potential that way. And that is pretty much it. Just keep interacting with the platform, coming back as often as you remember to play Legendary Lock-In, collecting your daily droplets, and interacting with creators by thanking them for their artwork. And if you do all that from this alpha right here, I think that this is pretty much a confirmation that there will be an airdrop and a token. And if you complete all of these steps, then you will qualify for the maximum amount possible. And the best part of this is barely anyone has actually seen this tweet. So this is really under the radar alpha, and hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck collecting all of the NFTs, and I'll see you in the next video.